going to do something that I have been wanting to do since I started my business. But I rebranded, I changed my business name, I launched potty training services, and then COVID happened and everything was shut down. And then every single place that I talked to that I wanted to go do this at was like, no, it's not a good time. And I kept dragging my feet. So I ended up just sending my business information in the mail saying, I really want to come in and talk to you about what I do. And I also, like, I want to meet the doctors. Oh man, I just spoiled it. I was going to make it be a surprise. But I am going to, that girl just gave me a stink eye. Like, yeah, I'm talking to a camera. I am going to my first pediatrician's office to share all about Slumber and Bloom, and I could not be more excited. I have another one in the works, and actually 2 more in the works, waiting for dates on when the doctors are available, but I am so excited. And when I talked to this office, they were like, we were pleasantly surprised when we got your brochures in the mail, or your rat cards. I'm bringing in rat cards, not brochures. But they were like, we were so surprised because we've never heard of a pediatric sleep consultant, and we really think that you could be an asset to our patients. So they're excited to meet me, I'm excited to meet them, and babies can sleep and toddlers can pee and poop in the toilet. So, yay! I'm so excited. Also, Tim has had the week off of work. He was supposed to go on a trip and then it got canceled. So he's just been doing stuff around the house, hanging out, catching up on actual life and not just like working 24/7. And he's taking Joshua to get his hair cut right now, and I can't wait to see it. Joshua said he wants a different hairstyle, so we will see how it turns out, but I have a feeling he's gonna look like a really big kid, but it's all right. He's going to kindergarten, so we gotta do what we gotta do. Home. That was awesome. I love getting to just like go out there and meet people who don't know that I exist, but they like need to know that I exist, and that they're like excited to tell other people that I exist. So it was fun. I have some extra bundt cakes that I got to take home, and now I'm gonna try one of these. And I'm back in my little corner here. I'm gonna get some work done. I just got a notification on my phone and my battery's low, so I'm gonna get some work done here and enjoy my bundt cake. And I gotta get the kids from camp in an hour, so gotta get my work done. What? Everyone licks the frosting off first, right? So good. I didn't even know these existed. Might have just changed my life though. I am happy to wash this day off. It's been a long day. Like, it's been a good day, but a long day. I feel like I did way too much in a day, but it was a good day.
If we're good for our
Did you have a good day?
Yes.
What was the best part of your day?
Summer camp. Building a fairy house.
Building a fairy house?
Probably building a fairy house too.
You had fun doing that?
Mine was not the best. Actually, my favorite was building all the fairy houses. Helping people. Hey, you didn't build people. All of them. Hey, I was helping people. You didn't help me at all. I'm just...
So, do you guys really think you're having a sleepover?
Oh, we don't have to have a sleepover. You get to pick.
That's on camera. So when you say that I get to pick, I'm gonna
When's it gonna be Christmas? Because I want a bunk bed. I want my bunk bed because someday it's gonna be Christmas. You're gonna what? And I want more cat. You're gonna what me?
I don't know. I'm going to remind you that I have on camera you saying that it's up to me if you have a sleepover.
Boom, boom.
All right, say goodnight.
I love my mother. My mother was named Elizabeth Yondo Ann. It's
No.
It's
Just
Elizabeth Ann Yondo.
Okay, all right. Well, I mean, it's not, but say goodnight. Did you have a good day?
Yay.
What was the best part of your day today?
Yay.
What was the best part of your day?
Yay.
Your field trip?
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you wearing my bracelet?
I stole it. Say goodnight.
Good night, Mrs. Yondo.
Here, you can take it off. Take it. Don't leave it on the kitchen floor. I could have swept it into the garbage. I love you.
Comment down below if you like my mom. She's amazing.
Love you.
I'm actually the amazing one.